What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today, we're going to go over one of my favorite coins, Aerodrome Finance, which is up 1.5% at 194. That powerful $2 resistance area has been brutal for us. We have a $1.3 billion market cap with a circulating supply of 710 million out of an infinite max supply. All-time high was 8 months ago at 231. I remember that. That was a pretty fun time. Not a lot of coins were pumping, but Aerodrome was absolutely ripping. All-time low was a year ago. Huge percentage gain. If you happen to get a bunch of coins around that time, you would not be watching this video right now. You'd be on the beach. Currently available on Coinbase, Gate.io, XT, Arbit. You have 10 different pages here. So if you want this coin, you can definitely find it somewhere. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Aerodrome Finance. All right, everybody, let's get into Aerodrome Finance, man. Look at the God candle that came in February 2024. You lucky people who actually got in there. That's a 280x. Insane. But nonetheless, the past is the past. Now it's time to talk about new all-time highs here on Coinbase, which is coming. Now, like I mentioned, the all-time high was 231, and we're only down 15% from that. And that is this wick right here. So we are gearing up to smash a new all-time high here, guys. Easily. We're just entering the fun part of the bull run. We just broke above the 786. The next real main resistance area, obviously, is the all-time high, and then you're clear to fly up to $3.60. We're looking solid. Indicators right now on the day chart, we're a little high right now, but nonetheless, that's a huge engulfing candle we had today. We haven't had that large of an engulfing candle in a very long time, going all the way back here to July of 2024. So that's showing there's bullish momentum for Aerodrome right now. And then the RSI is not overbought yet. We still have room to run to the upside. Nonetheless, we did break out of our downtrend here as well. So I wouldn't be shocked at all if Aerodrome continued to run to the upside from this point on, and in the next week or two put in a new all-time high. We're also in the red on the WTX. Not too concerned about that at all. We haven't printed a single sell signal yet. We can print multiple sell signals in the WTX and still maintain bullish momentum to the upside. So all indicators on the day chart are showing momentum to the upside. 4-hour time frame, very similar situation. So if we go to the day chart here, let's see the possible price movement where we can where this coin's going to go. So if we go from the high to the low, our next main resistance area, according to all the fibs that we have drawn, is around that $2.30. Now, obviously, that $2 resistance area is going to be there. It doesn't show up on indicators, but going from $1 to $2 is a very psychological resistance area. That's something you got to learn. If you chart, is the psychological resistance areas, the ones that don't show up on fibs, the ones that don't show up on indicators. Is you gotta think about the ones in the mind, which is going from 1 to 2, going from 2 digits to 1 digit. So that is the current area of focus right now for Aerodrome, is that $2 resistance area. Let's draw a horizontal line where that's at. And you can already see there's no other real indication of a resistance area there, except going back to March of 2024. We wicked up to that, and then we had some heavy resistance April of 2024 before briefly breaking above it. But nonetheless, man, we broke out of this downtrend heavily. As soon as we broke out of this downtrend, it was to infinity and beyond for this coin, man. You broke out right here, you back tested the 618, and then we've just been rallying ever since. So indicators are looking strong. I think in the next week or two, we can easily break our all-time high for Aerodrome. And I've covered this during the bear market extensively. I think we have a possible runner here for the bull run. Now, if we do break out, the next one is the 1236 at about 275. Then you have your golden ratio here, 1618 at about 450. Now, realistically speaking, what's Aerodrome at is at a $1.3 billion market cap. This could easily be like a $70 billion coin. Not kidding. If you've never seen a bull run before, coins go up to billions and billions of dollars during the hype of the bull run. But realistically, I would be keeping an eye on the 1236 and the lifelong fib for a possible top signal at about 550. And then the best case scenario is it sounds crazy, $22. That's the hopium right there. But normally what I do during a bull run top to bear market bottom during a bull run is I start taking profit around that 1 2 3 6 area right here, because normally you top out in this general area, and it's not like you have like a week of top out. It's usually like a massive wick, like a day, and then that's it, and then to infinity and beyond to the downside. But nonetheless, we just started our bull run here. I think we're easily going to be overtaking our all-time high very, very, very soon. I think $5.50 is easily obtainable this bull run, and then you have your 1618 fib, which is the golden pocket at $21. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins that you would like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.